welcome to another video. So today I have the Remington hair trimmer. This is a total grooming kit. It comes with rechargeable battery with multiple heads and multiple combs. It's the PG6111. You can buy it on Amazon, Target, or any department store. I purchased it for about 21 bucks. The box shows you a full-size trimmer, detail trimmer, nose and ear trimmer, the combs, multiple combs. Let's see, UltraStyle rechargeable total grooming kit. So it has a 70-minute runtime, which is pretty good. So before I used this one, I had a more expensive Philips Norelco one that lasted me like 5 years. But the thing is, even if you spend more, and I barely used it, they don't really last that long. Eventually they get dull or stop holding charge or whatever. So I don't think you should spend too much on them, because eventually all of them go bad. It's probably better to get something cheap like this, and if it goes bad, you don't feel bad about ruining it. All right, so I don't really have a beard right now, but I'll kind of use it on my hand hair or something like that to show you how it works. But let's see what's inside. Okay, so the package is mostly empty. For a second I thought that something was missing, but I think it's supposed to be empty like that. It's poor use of space. Let's put that to the side for a second. We have the trimmer in here already. Pretty lightweight. Comes charged from the box. Has the sliders for the different attachments, adjustment notches here, the charging port on the bottom. Feels pretty sturdy, doesn't feel creaky. Let's see if this comes off. Just make sure. Oh, never mind, actually it turns, and then you just take this off. So there's that arrow right there, and that's locked. When this lines up, you turn it this way, unlocks, and it's off. We'll leave it on for now. All right, let's see what's inside. There's the instruction manual. I'll just leave that to the side. Let me open it up from the other side. Okay. Here's a carrying pouch. Nothing special, it's just like a polyester bag with a drawstring. I don't know if I guess it's just tall enough to hold your trimmer. This is the nose and ear trimmer piece. Some trimming attachments. There's 3mm, 6mm, and 9mm. Let's put the 3mm on, see how easily it goes on. So essentially it just clips on like that, I think. Let's see. Yep, you just push from the back here from this tab, and it just clips on. And then to take it off, you just push from down here, I believe. Yep, and it pops off. Okay, let's see what else. This is a USB charging cable, which is good because you could use it in any country as long as you have an appropriate USB port. USB adapter. You can plug this in and charge your Remington hair trimmer. All right, there are other attachments here. So this is a trimming guard. Let's see how it slides in. So you have to make sure you line it up so you don't break it. But essentially the side notches line up with, and then you press down and push down. So that's the shortest, and then that's 2mm. It tells you, the arrow tells you what size you're on. And then you can slide up to 4, 6, 8, 10, whatever, however millimeter long you want to leave your hair. And then this is the setting you would use to trim your beard. So this is the distance. When it says 10mm, it's this distance, not here. Because if you go like this, then you're gonna make it much shorter. So you wanna use the back of the trimmer to guide the distance or guide the length of your hair. And you just press down to move this around, and then you can just push it off and take it off. One more attachment, and this is for finer beard work. If you want, this is a more fine or more small of a trimming edge. This is for minor adjustments or any precision hair trimming. It's called a detail trimmer on the box. So let's twist that off, or we can leave this on and we can see how it works on my hand hair there. So works pretty well. Alright, now take this one off and then use the large one. There you go. Turn it on. Does a pretty good job. This is obviously not as thick a hair as you would have on your face or elsewhere, but just for demonstration purposes. It's not very sharp. It's not. This is soft skin, but I'm not feeling like I'm getting scratched up, and it's giving a pretty fine trim, pretty close to the skin. So I think it does the job. You don't have to, shell out 50, 100 bucks. This thing is just 20 bucks and does the job, and probably won't last you forever, but neither do the other ones. So I'm happy with it. This is the Remington PG6111. There are other codes, but if it's around the $20 mark, it's going to be around the same product. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on the next one.